again to teach you online, and our topic for today is different food groups. So let's get down to the topic. I am looking for grape flavored candy. That's strange. I can't seem to find here. Do you think Zed is looking for grape flavored candy in the right place? If you have ever visited a supermarket, you would notice that the foods are sorted into various sections. The food we eat can be sorted into groups, just like in the supermarket. There are five main food groups: grains, fruits, meat, eggs, fish, and beans, and dairy products. Each food group contains nutrients that we need for energy, growth, and health. So let's find out more about nutrients in each food group. Let's study about the first group of food, that is grains. Grains contain the nutrients called carbohydrates, and carbohydrate is present in the form of starch, and we get carbohydrates from cereals, rice, bread, pasta, potatoes, etc. Let's see what is the function of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us the energy to carry out life processes. So this is very important for our body, carbohydrates. Let's study about another group of food, that is meat, eggs, and beans. These food groups contain the nutrients proteins, and proteins are present in nuts, cheese, peas, meat, fish, and beans, and its function is to help us to repair our body and build strong muscles. These food groups also contains vitamins and minerals, and vitamins and minerals help our body to function properly and keep us from falling sick. Vitamins like with vitamin A, vitamin B, and iron. Let's see what is the function of vitamin A. So vitamin A help us to see in the dark. Vitamin B help us to convert the food we eat into energy. So when you eat carbohydrated food, this vitamin B help you to convert it into energy. Iron. Iron helps blood to carry out oxygen to all parts of our body. Let's study about another food group, that is fruits. Fruits contain the nutrients called vitamins and minerals. Vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin E, and minerals as potassium. So vitamins and minerals help our body to function properly and keep us from falling sick. Let's see what is the function of vitamin C. Vitamin C keep us from falling sick. So if you eat vitamin C fruits, you will not fall sick. Let's see what is the function of vitamin E. Vitamin E help us to slow down aging, and potassium helps to balance the amount of water in our body. Fruits also contain a nutrient called fiber, and fiber help us to pass out feces easily. Let's pass on to another food group, that is vegetables. So vegetables contain the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin C. Minerals such as zinc. We already studied about the functions of vitamins and minerals, that it helps our body to function properly and keep us from falling sick. We have also studied about the function of vitamin A and vitamin C in the previous food group, that is meat, eggs, and beans, and fruits. Now let's see another mineral, that is zinc. Zinc helps our skeleton to grow properly. This food group also contain fiber, and we know the fiber function, that it helps us to pass out feces easily. Let's move on to another food groups, that is dairy products. Dairy products contain the nutrients calcium. Calcium is a mineral. It also contains proteins, carbohydrates, and other vitamins and minerals. Vitamins such as vitamin D and minerals such as magnesium. Let's see what is the function of calcium. Calcium help us to build strong teeth and bones, and vitamin D helps our body to absorb calcium. Magnesium help our body to make proteins. So these food groups, that is dairy products, contain many nutrients. So this food group is very important. There is another food groups called oil, fats and sugary food. Sugary food contains carbohydrates in the form of sugar. Oil, fats and carbohydrates give us energy. It keeps the body warm in cooler temperature. Fats and carbohydrates give us the energy. However, we do not need to eat much from this group. Example, butter, ghee and cheese. These are the food group which contains more of fats and sugar. Let's review each food group with its nutrients. So grains, it contains carbohydrates. Then meat, fish, eggs and beans contains proteins, minerals and vitamins. Fruits, it contains vitamins, minerals and fiber. Vegetables, it contains vitamins, minerals and fiber. Dairy products, it contains minerals, proteins, vitamins and carbohydrates. Let's see what are the vitamins and minerals we have learned in each food groups. So we have learned vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E. And minerals, we have learned iron, potassium, zinc, calcium and magnesium. So after knowing the nutrients and its functions of each food groups, you must be wise to choose your diet and maintain your diet in balance. A diet refers to the kind of food that someone chooses to eat. Your body needs a variety of food to stay healthy. You need to eat carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. You also need vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. So, to maintain a balanced diet, we should eat food from all the food groups in the correct proportion. Now, look at the plate. Do you think the meal is balanced? Does it contain all the food groups needed for your diet? When our diet is balanced, it means that we are not having too much of food from one group. It is important to eat a balanced diet because eating too much sugar or fat can damage our health. Apart from a balanced diet, water is very important. So, you must drink plenty of water. Let's see what does the food pyramid says. The pyramid is a good way to see how much or how little of each food group we need. We should eat more of the food at the bottom of the pyramid and less of the food at the top. So at the top you can see fats, oil and sweets. It is used in less quantity. Then you see meat, fish, nuts and dairy products. Then you go for fruits and vegetables. Then bread, cereals, potato, pasta, rice, etc. So when you eat this pasta, bread, cereals, you get energy. When you eat fruits and vegetables, you fight against the diseases. When you eat meat, fish, nuts and dairy products, you actually fight against the diseases because it contain proteins. Then fats is just keep your body warm. Now let's see what happens when you eat the wrong food. Eating too much or too little of one food group can make you unhealthy. Eating too much food groups, fried and fatty food, can cause you to become overweight. Foods that have a lot of fat and sugar in them are junk foods. So avoid eating junk food, fried food and fatty foods. Take your diet as healthy diet. Maintain yourself fit. Take a balanced diet. That's all from food groups. I hope you will follow your balanced diet and maintain yourself fit. Thank you.